Imagine giving your heavy-duty gear oils the power of DECON. Say hello to DECON HD, specifically blended for those tougher, higher viscosity oils used in gearboxes, like ISO 150 to 320 grades. At a 6 to 10% treat rate, DECON HD gets to work fast. Thanks to our patented Solvancer technology, it helps break down and remove stubborn deposits from inside your equipment. One of the big headaches with gearboxes? Varnish buildup. It usually means messy, expensive downtime for cleaning and flushing. But with DECON HD, cleaning up is simple. No downtime, no fuss. It's engineered specifically for those thicker oils, without affecting the oil's viscosity or properties while it works its magic inside your gearboxes. Want to learn more? Contact your Fluitec representative today and discover how DECON HD can keep your gearboxes clean and running strong.